Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start with our previous topics which we are discussing. In our last class, we are discussing the general properties of the group number 18 noble gases elements. In these properties, we have discussed some physical properties. In today's class, we are going to start the topic chemical properties. Chemical properties. Chemical properties of group 18 elements. Group 18 elements. In these properties, we generally know that what kind of properties are present in these. Noble gases are chemically inert due to the following reasons. Chemically inert due to following reasons. What reasons they are? Noble gases have the completely filled NH2, completely filled NH2 NP6 electronic configuration. Completely filled NH2 NP6 electronic configuration. Second, noble gases have the high ionization enthalpy. High ionization enthalpy. High ionization enthalpy. Third point, electron gain enthalpy of noble gases are positive. Electron gain enthalpy for these noble gases. Noble gases neither have tendency to lose or to gain the electrons. Neither lose the electron, neither gain the electron, and hence do not enter in the chemical combination in the different kind of reactions. Generally, few reactions are shown there, and these reactions we have there. What are these reactions we are having in this context? We have some general reactions. The first, when O2 gas react with the platinum F6 gas, the complex we have there is O2, and after this we have the complex PtF6 minus solid. In this reaction, O2 has been oxidized to O2 plus. O2 oxidized to O2 plus by the PtF6 this PtF6 will react with the xenon. Xenon is an inert gas, and when this PtF6 reacts with the xenon, we get the complex in this X plus PtF6 minus, and this happens on the temperature 278 Kelvin. This happens on the temperature 278 Kelvin there. So these are the reactions related to the inert gases. Now uses of noble gases. Uses of noble gases. What are the general uses of these gases? Helium filled in balloons and cryogenic agent. Helium in balloons in cryogenic engines. Helium is used. Second, use of neon. Neon is used in the discharge tubes and fluorescent lamps. In discharge tubes and fluorescent tubes. Another applications of organ. Organ is used to provide inert atmosphere in high temperature. Ozone provides organ. In this we have the organ. So this organ inert atmosphere. We have to provide the inert atmosphere of the organ in the metallurgical processes where it is required. Krypton is used in high efficiency minor cap lamps. High efficiency minor cap lamps. High efficiency minor cap lamps. Another use we have the use of the xenon, where mixture of krypton and xenon, used for the some tubes of high speed photography. Tubes of high speed photography. Tubes of high speed photography. Tubes of high speed photography where it is used. Use of radon in radioactive research. In radioactive research in the treatment of cancer. Treatment of cancer and malignant tissues. Malignant tissues. Treatment of cancer and malignant tissues where they are used. So these are the general uses of the noble gases we have in this. This is all about the group 18 of the P block, and now in our next class we will start the another chapter that is a D block. Thank you very much.